front trunk. No engine in this guy, obviously. So there's a access hole right here. I have a long, skinny tool. Goes all the way down there, and you can see a little ding on there. And if I move this tool, you can see the movement on the panel there. So get in there and push that guy out. It's aluminum, so kind of a tricky situation to get enough leverage. You can see me pushing on it pretty tight, but nothing's moving. So you actually have to over push as hard as you can and let it fall back down to flat. So you can see right there. So I'll show you the after video. All right, finished up the Tesla. Sorry about the sound quality. I had my phone out and it's super windy, but should be able to hear me better now with my audio set up a little better. This is the finished product of the Tesla. You can see a nice shiny black car. It's right in that area. You can see the little scratch reflection in the paint right there. But yeah, you can see how great that came out. We can fix Teslas. We can fix aluminum panels. So don't hesitate to check with DentPro of Sacramento for any of your little or big dents. Thank you for watching.